I'm going to show you how to create a group on Instagram. This is a great way to stay connected with friends and family or to collaborate on projects with others. Benefits of using group chats on Instagram. Group chats are a great way to stay connected with multiple people at once. Group chats can be used for a variety of purposes, such as staying in touch with friends and family, collaborating on projects, or discussing common interests. Group chats can be a lot of fun, and they can help to build stronger relationships between group members. Group chats can be used to discuss project ideas, share files, and assign tasks. Group chats can also be used to provide feedback and support to other group members. To create a group on Instagram, follow these steps. Open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Tap the direct messages icon in the top right corner of the screen. Tap the new message icon in the top right corner of the screen. Select the people you want to add to the group. You can either tap on their names in the suggested list or search for their usernames. Once you've added everyone you want to the group, tap Chat. Now write a message to the group. You will see that a name is required for the group. Give your group a name and tap the Done from the keyboard. Your group chat will be created and you can start messaging everyone in the group. This is an easy way to create a group on Instagram. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below.